Hi guys, so before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. And there's one more thing I want you to do. Click all when you click that subscribe button, where you can know when I post new videos. But you got 5 seconds to like and subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it in that time? If you did, comment down below. Oakley is crazy. Yeah, they're gonna do it. Yeah, you are crazy. What are you watching, Oakley? What are you doing? Well, it's another baby day.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ano po yung possible na maging benefit po ng ating participants na nakikinig po sa atin ngayong umaga?
I'm a fish.
Ngayon umaga, i-discuss kasi natin yung policies. Ayun. Tapos, pag-aralan natin.
At least someone likes it.
Pag-usapan natin yun.
So, we are going to start a new series of a book. But look at my new backpack for Texas. Woo! I'll give you a sneak peek later. Actually, I'll do the host thing. I don't want to play my daily Wordle. I haven't read any of these books except for this one because I read it with Miss Hedden. She's my teacher. I know what you did last time. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it.
All we have to do is pay taxes on it.
Officer Buckles in Gloria. Here's some notes.
I said, that's your birthday present right there. There
Say no to
Happy
drugs.
Happy birthday!
Wash your hands after you use the toilet. Never put anything in your ear.
And I told him he needed
Never pack rides from strangers.
Yeah.
Avoid all traffic signs.
Get the watch half off.
Never sit
The phone,
too
new iPhone.
close to the television. Never eat
It adds like $5 a month.
something. I'm going to skip that page. But for something,
you didn't have to pay anything for it yesterday. You just have to pay for like
Officer Buckles,
an extra $5 a month on the bill.
Officer Buckle knew more safety tips than anyone else in
And like he can get text
Nashville.
messages, like if he's busy. Or
Every
working or whatever,
time
he can
he
get text
saw
messages
a